This edition of MacVoices is sponsored by PDF Pen and PDF Pen Pro by Smile, the essential PDF utility. Download free demos and find out more at smilesoftware.com. This is MacVoices at CES in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. Folks, last year we stopped by bellus3D and we're kind of blown away by what they were doing, and judging by the response I got from you, you were blown away too. This time we came back, they've got some new stuff, and this is Eric, the CEO of the company. He's going to tell us what they're doing this year. Eric, it's good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you again. Thanks for coming back.
Yes, congratulations on having such an interesting product from last year, and this year you've just gotten a little better.
Yeah, so this year we're introducing a new camera system, which is a multi-camera system that allows you to capture a full head with 7 cameras simultaneously, so you don't even need to turn your head. For those who have been in our booth before, you know that even though our technology is great, but you still have to turn your head. It takes about 15-20 seconds. So with the new system, it takes only 3 seconds. We can capture the full head without no head turning. And it's designed for commercial applications such as eyewear, cosmetic, dental, medical. You can put in a kiosk, in a clinic, and people don't have mobility issue. We still can scan them fully, without any difficulty there.
I know, last year we saw the iPhone app, and it was kind of amazing what you could do with that. And now you're talking about a 7-camera device. Does that increase the resolution of what you're
Absolutely.
capturing?
So the resolution from the 7-camera device about 4 times the iPhone solution that we have. There are actually 21 sensors seeing you from all directions at the same time. So this enormous amount of data we have to process. We managed to get everything processing at the same time. So it's actually we're using parallel processing. All the cameras have built-in processors, so they're all doing the processing at the same time. So the whole scanning process takes only 3 seconds. Takes about 30 seconds to process all the data, and then we can produce a full 3D head, right after that.
Now, a lot of folks who maybe didn't see the interview from last year are going to say, what good is a 3D head? But you just talked, there are medical applications, there are cosmetic applications, there's so many things you could do with that.
Yeah, so the trend right now is about personalization. No matter the goods or service, what we're trying to do is that we want to provide a very accurate 3D data of your face, and from which you can then derive all kinds of services, products that's personalized to your face. For instance, we are working with Philips, who's a worldwide leader to do the sleep apnea mask. So with our technology, Philips now can create sleep apnea mask that's tightly fit to your face, so it doesn't have leakage there. We're also talking to a cosmetic company doing the beauty mask. So one size doesn't fit all anymore. Now you can have your custom beauty mask that fits your face profile exactly.
I hadn't even thought of the sleep apnea mask. That's a perfect example of something that so many people could use, but if it doesn't fit right, it either doesn't work.
You don't want the air to be leaking all night, right? Keep you awake.
Yeah.
So the study has shown that with a tightly fit CPAP mask, people can, on average, increase 30 minutes of sleep time. That's enormous.
That is, and it's not that much more expensive to make a custom fit mask than a normal mask, I wouldn't think.
So what they're doing right now, based on my understanding, is that it's more like best fit. So instead of having 3 sizes only, they may have 100 different sizes. And then with the accurate 3D face data, they can precisely choose which size will best fit you. So that already increased the comfort factor by many folds already.
So there you go. That's my misperception. I don't have to have a mask custom made for me, but you've got a lot finer control over
exactly.
What
they can
what
say they can tailor it based on your sleep habit, your face contour. They can choose one that best fits you. Right, so that's increased the flexibility by quite a bit.
So the next time that someone goes to their sleep doctor, they may see something like what's behind you there to help them fit you for what you're looking for.
And that computer will pick it for you. You don't even need to measure that.
That's one application, but there's so many other applications I would think for something like this.
We are also working with other dental customers. So the dentistry is moving digital, as you know that. Now they have all these intraoral scanners can scan your teeth precisely. Problem is that you're trying to do some kind of restoration or smile design without a face. It's kind of hard to know what it will look like. So we are providing the 3D face scanning component. So now you put a face on top of the teeth. That now you can complete the digital workflow. So that's another application that we are focusing on. One more application that we're seeing a lot of interest is the eyewear industry. So the eyewear is also moving toward customization. You know, they're printing technology that can 3D print eyewear frames. So all they need to have is the data from your face, so they can custom make the frames for you. So in the future, you know, you're not just going there to pick the existing frame. You will be picking frame that will fit you precisely, and they can be custom made just for you.
It's all about the customization.
Yes,
that's
what
great.
We're seeing the future is going.
Yeah. So are these devices in use now?
We are launching it here. Actually, this is the first time we're showing to the world. We plan on delivering the first shipment sometime in April. Yeah.
And is this something that, I mean, obviously I'm not going to buy it for myself for my home, but can I go to get my head scanned and then that data is mine?
Yeah, so what we do is that we scan the data. You have the control of the privacy. So you can decide you want to keep the data, you want to download data, or you don't want the data, you want to delete it. So we have a cloud service that allows you to have full control of that.
Good. That's the next question, because now we're talking about a whole different kind of data privacy.
Exactly.
Now we're talking about my face, my image, my teeth,
right.
my head, you know, everything. So.
Right. So what we're doing right now is that the data we store in the cloud is actually highly encrypted. You know, unless you have the decryption and the key and our software, the data, even if you can download that, is of no use to you because you cannot extract the 3D facial data from the file directly. You have to go to our processing software. So we add an extra layer of security, not just by protecting the cloud storage, but also the file encryption, the processing of the file. So there's a lot of security built into that.
Right.
Yeah, we understand the privacy and all the concerns, so we want to make sure that we do whatever we can to protect that.
Perfect. The website where folks can go to learn more about the whole process and find out.
If you go to bellus3d.com, there's a page specific about the new product called ARC, A-R-C. It's very easy to find. And we actually accepting pre-orders right now. It's only $100. You can get your order in 9. And then when we start shipping, we'll put you on the priority list.
Great. Thank you so much for the time, Eric. Great to see you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Folks, we'll have more from CES in Las Vegas. This is MacVoices. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our Facebook group or like our Facebook page and get more out of your Apple tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard and on the web. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us through either our Patreon campaign at patreon.com/MacVoices or by making a one-time donation via the PayPal link on our front page and in the show notes of each episode. You will join these fine people who help bring you MacVoices. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.